Number 1, open sap feed valve. Make sure permeate water is closed. Also make sure your wash tank valve is closed. And then you're good for concentrating. 2, open valve number 1, approximately 2 turns. Number 1. Two turns. Number 2, you open a 1/4 turn, which is number 2. Next, you place the valve 3 to concentration. This is valve 3. Place the valve number 5 and 6 to desired tank, which is valve 5, tank 1 or tank 2, whatever you desire. Same with number 6, whatever you desire to do. Press the feed switch and hold until the pressure reaches 25. As we speak, the pump can have dirt, it can have garbage. There sometimes is a mouse in the system, so pressure will not climb up. Your filters can be plugged, pressure will not climb. The line can be frozen, so it will not get sap in the inlet or the outlet. So just check all that, make sure you're good to go. Press the feed button. Also, when your low pressure reaches 25 pounds pressure, the membrane recirculating pump will also start up. If it does not run, it obviously does not have pressure. So we have maintained 25 pounds. The sap is coming, it's flowing through. We can now press the high pressure switch in a slow sequence, which in this case we only have 1 high pressure pump, so we are now ready to start it. Adjust valve 1 between 150 psi and 500. Valve 1 increases our pressure. You can put it up anywhere between 250 and 375 pounds pressure. Maintaining that, you will have a long life of your machine. If you exceed 400 pounds pressure, you will prematurely distort or wreck your membrane. The machine automatically shuts down at 500 psi, so there is a safety there. Wait 3 minutes and adjust valve number 2 to your desired concentrate flow, which is number 2. If we open up the valve, it will increase our concentrate flow, but it will decrease the sugar content because you're not concentrating as hard. So as you open up, your permeate slows down and your concentrate speeds up. A rule of thumb is 75% of the water you take out. It's each to his own preference. So then you're ready to concentrate for approximately 5 to 6 hours before cleanup. Now you have completed your 5 to 6 hours of concentrating. You now have to wash the machine. Let's say you have a day where you run 10 hours. You'll have to stop at 5 to wash and then back to concentrating. So we need to grab the concentrate flush. That's your concentrated liquids in the membrane. You got 8% sugars, which is too wasteful to actually dump it. So we save that. You close your sap feed valve, open up the filtrate feed valve,
place the valve 3 to wash. Go to wash cycle. Press the feed switch and hold until the pressure reaches 25. Just a quick note, we don't want to change valve 5 and 6 because it is still going to your concentrate tank. You don't want to waste that. You want to keep that. So we're going to start the pump and operate the equipment until the concentrate is inferior than 1 Brix, or approximately 1.5 minutes per membrane. One sample you can do is open your concentrate valve and grab a sample, check if it's sweet. Obviously there's sugar in it, but we always say 1.5 per membrane, or equivalent of 5 minutes. That will concentrate it all out. So you start the pump. You run it for 5 minutes. One way you check your sample here, or simply run 5 minutes to be safe. Now you have saved all of your concentrate. Stop the machine. And you go down to rinse procedure. You have opened your filtrate feed valve. So you stay the same there. Place valves 5 and 6 to the drain position. So you want to drain that. Place the valve 3 to wash. It still is in wash position for concentrate flush. Then you press the feed switch and hold until pressure reaches 25, just like concentrate. Now in the wash procedure, you never run the high pressure pump. The high pressure pump is for concentrating purposes only. So you press it until you reach 25. Allow the equipment to run 20 minutes